What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the roof boot when it's collapsed. It is an aftermarket accessory. I have never seen it on any of my part manuals from the original factory. It's sold by a few different people. I got mine from eBay a few years back. It is a really nice accessory. I like how it looks like. Not original, but it looks like really nice when it's put together. So, first thing that you need to do is to take it out of its bag. It comes on a vinyl baggie. It's made out of really thick vinyl. And you like to, let it warm up on the sun a little bit so that it's nice and pliable before you do that. So while you do that, while it warms up, and you collapse your roof, there's already a video on the channel about it, how to do it according to the instructions from the plant. It's a two-man job. You can do it by yourself, but it takes a little bit of effort. You collapse your roof, you fold your top, and then there's one step that you are supposed to skip, which is the strap downs, which usually go back here through this little metal strap and then back together through the buckle and down, which is what holds the entire thing together. You're not supposed to do that, right? Because what's going to hold the top down now is the boot itself. Now, the boot itself is held down not only by its shape, you'll see what I mean when I install it in a second, but also it's got the same straps as the roof when it's installed. You can see them here, it's got some metal eyelets that correspond and index to the metal straps on the frame of the car, on the body of the car. And it also has this little buckle back here. This little buckle back here goes on the metal strap that is back there. So the way that you do these, I'm not gonna show you that one because it's close quarters and it's very difficult to show in there. But basically you take this strap, you put it back through the eyelet, you put it through the metal frame, the metal strap, then you put it out, and then you put it on the buckle, and this holds the entire thing together. Okay, so you let it go up for 5-10 minutes on the sun, and then you start. Make sure your protectors are installed. We already made a video about the installation of the protectors, right? You need to have these installed or you're going to ruin your boot, right? So as you can see, it indexes right on, right? It indexes right on. And you just go all the way around, making sure that it indexes on all of the little metal straps, and you put together your little belts and buckles. Make sure that it's in the right place. And there you have her. You go and do the straps I told you on the inside. And there she is. As you can see, it looks real nice. And it protects the roof very well during the summer so that it's not sun-baked all the time. Okay, so please follow the channel, drop me a like if you find the videos useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, thank you, bye.